Hi, hello students. Welcome to another PYQ session from ChemSmart. I am Prasanna. Today we are doing PYQ session 5. So I hope you have already watched the previous ones. If not, please do that at the earliest. So let's see what are these questions which we are going to take up today. Question number 1. As you can see, it is from 2022 board paper. And the question is, on mixing 20 ml of acetone with 30 ml of chloroform, the total volume of the solution is. What will happen when you mix chloroform with acetone? Chloroform and acetone, when they are mixed, they will make mutual hydrogen bonds. So, that mixture will be forming a solution which shows negative deviation from Rolle's law. You have studied this as an example under negative deviation. Yes or no? You have done it, right? So, whenever there is negative deviation, the total volume after mixing will be less than negative deviation. So, less than the total volume before mixing, right? What is the total volume before mixing? 20 ml of acetone plus 30 ml of chloroform. So, 20 plus 30, you are getting 50 ml before mixing. That is a situation. Once you mix them together, they will make mutual hydrogen bonds. Then they will come closer to each other. When they come closer to each other, volume will decrease, right? That is why we say the total volume after mixing is less than total volume before mixing in negative deviation. So, because this mixture shows negative deviation, total volume after mixing should be less than 50 ml. Because before it was 20 plus 30, 50 ml. So, after mixing, it should be less than 50 ml. So, the correct answer is option A, less than 50 ml. Clear? It had a bit of application. Just connect it to deviation what is mentioned. That's all. Now, next question. Which of the following represents Raoult's law for a solution containing non-volatile solute? You know Raoult's law, P1 is equal to P01 into chi1, P2 is equal to P02 into chi2. These things you have done under mathematical area of Raoult's law, right? So, Raoult's law, that P area, P1, P01, P2, P02, etc., they are applicable only to volatile components, right? So, here it is clearly given the solute is non-volatile, right? And you know P total is equal to P1 plus P2, right? That is P1, suppose component 1 is the solvent and P2 component 1 is the solute. This is the situation. So, P total is equal to P solvent plus P solute. Here you are told that P solute is out of question because solute is not volatile. So, you just neglect this area. Therefore, the correct answer has to be P total is equal to P solvent. So, the answer is option C. I will make it little more clear. If you come to the first one, here P solute is equal to P0 solute into chi solute. Solute is not volatile. So, this is wrong because it is not applicable to non-volatile component, right? This one, P is equal to pH into chi. That is the mathematical form of Henry's law, not Raoult's law. If you come to this, solute, P solute is equal to P0 solvent into chi solvent. We don't express the Raoult's law mathematically like that between solute and solvent. This is also wrong. So the correct option will be P total is equal to P solvent because P solute is absent. Clear? Great. Now, the next question, it is about azeotrope and deviation. In previous sessions, I have told you this topic, that is azeotrope and the connected deviation, that is a trendy question in recent board papers. So make sure to prepare it very well. Clear? You also might get it in your paper too. So the question is, an azeotropic solution of the two liquids has a boiling point lower than either of the two. Boiling point lower. I have told you, again, let me repeat, in the previous sessions that boiling point is inversely proportional to vapor pressure, right? So here it is written boiling point is lower for the azeotrope. Boiling point is lower means what? When boiling point is lower, vapor pressure will be higher. Vapor pressure higher means what? Positive deviation from Rolle's law. Large positive deviation from Rolle's law. So the answer is, it shows a positive deviation from Rolle's law. Clear? Then in some other papers, it will be boiling point higher and then it will become negative deviation. Questions are coming up connected to them. Okay? Then next question. Next question. Elevation in boiling point is inversely proportional to. Elevation in boiling point is a colligative property, right? So you have studied colligative property is inversely proportional to molar mass. So the answer will be inversely proportional to molar mass of the solute. But I will show you mathematically how you get it. Okay? Just see. You have studied delta TB is equal to KB into M, right? So delta TB, the first one is molar elevation constant. If you compare KB and delta TB relation, mathematical relation, delta TB is directly proportional to KB. So this is not the answer. Molality, delta TB is directly proportional to molality. So that is also not the answer for this question. Next one, weight of the solute. I'll show you. Delta TB is equal to KB into, what is molality? Mass of solute by molar mass of solute into 1000 by mass of solvent in gram. Right. So if you look at this relation, delta TB and W solute, they are directly proportional. So delta TB and W solute, they are not inversely proportional. But you can see molar mass of solute is coming in the denominator, right? So delta TB will be inversely proportional to molar mass of the solute. Clear? So the correct answer is molar mass of the solute. That is, elevation boiling point is inversely proportional to molar mass of the solute. Is it clear? Okay. Just practice. As I always tell you, practice again and again. You can become perfect. You know, the centum scorers, they don't get it on a fine morning. It is a result of practice, continuous practice. Okay? So, good luck. Practice again and again, and you can ace the board exam. As I always tell you, you can ace the board exam. Okay? 2024. So, let us try for that together. Okay? Great. Bye.